Your premium AI solutions are now all in one place. In today's video, we are going to look at a fantastic free tool from Ai ToolsE that will make your daily digital workflow much easier. Let's click on the Video Converter option. This is a completely secure and native converter. This means there is no hassle of uploading your files to any third-party cloud server to convert them. It works directly right inside your browser. Now, by clicking on Launch Converter, we have arrived at its main interface. You can use this completely privately with no watermarks and absolutely free for life. To select a video file, click on the Select Video button and choose the desired video from your device. For example, we are selecting our project file here. Once the file is added, you can change the output format like MP4, resolution, and quality settings according to your preference. If everything looks good, click on the Convert Now button below. Look at how fast our video is encoding through local processing without any server lag at all. And wonderful! In just a few seconds, our file is completely ready for download. This is how easily and with 100% privacy you can convert your videos using Ai ToolsE.